Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, and we're doing another out of the boxing, unboxing. Yeah, unboxing. This is another Auto World, and again, I bought all of them. I own all of them. So if there's any left, yeah, but I own every one of them. So this is basically the head-to-head set, and this is basically an offset figure eight. This is a really big set. You get 14 feet of track, you get track supports, you get everything, okay? So this is a pretty extensive set. You get your two hand throttles, you get your curves, your track supports, your transformer, you get your straight track, your half track, your lap counter, okay? You get, oh, and then you get your two cars. Now, what's really cool about this set is both of the cars are in collectible cases, okay? You get the Corvette and you get the Ford Gem car, which is the Mach 4. Okay, you get both these, and they come in the case. Okay, see, a lot of people like these cars when they're in the cases like this, sealed. Okay, and so you get them in here. You get your straight track, your curves. So this is a really nice set. Okay, really popular. So you get everything you need to run these cars. You get your straights, your curves, your borders, your bridges. And you can combine it with all of our other car sets, okay? And these are also, I think these are X-Traction cars. These are X-Traction cars in here. They're not the T-Jet Super Gs, so they're just regular max tracks. But you can combine them with any other set. So get yours one now and start your slot car set now.